Welcome back, garden enthusiasts. As the colder months approach, it's crucial to prepare your garden for winter. Today, we'll share the best practices for winterizing your garden to protect your perennials and soil. Let's get started. First, clean up your garden. Remove fallen leaves, dead plants, and other debris to prevent pests and diseases from overwintering in your garden. Compost the healthy plant material and dispose of any diseased plants. Mulching is essential for protecting your plants and soil. Apply a thick layer of mulch around your perennials and over any exposed soil. This helps regulate soil temperature, retain moisture, and prevent soil erosion. To protect your perennials, consider adding extra insulation. Cover them with burlap, straw, or frost blankets to shield them from harsh winter conditions. For potted perennials, move them to a sheltered location or wrap the pots with insulating materials. Healthy soil is the foundation of a thriving garden. Add a layer of compost to enrich the soil with nutrients. Consider planting cover crops like clover or winter rye to prevent erosion and improve soil structure. These crops can be tilled into the soil in spring for added organic matter. Before the ground freezes, give your plants a deep watering to help them withstand winter drought. Prune any dead or diseased branches from shrubs and trees to prevent damage from snow and ice. By following these best practices, you'll ensure your garden is well prepared for winter and ready to thrive come spring. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Stay warm and happy gardening.